Welcome to the RadonAway Short-Term Liquid Scintillation Quick Start Guide video. Read the instructions thoroughly and scan the QR code or visit our website for more detailed instructions. Once your device is registered and the start date is recorded on the online data form, you can begin the test. To begin the test, twist and remove the cap from your vial and set the vial in a selected test location. Leave the test in place for 2 to 4 days, or 48 to 96 hours. When you scan the QR code, you'll be able to register your device and also find more detailed test kit instructions, which will include proper protocols like choosing a test location and closed building conditions that must be maintained during a proper and valid test. To end the test, snugly place the cap back on the vial. Make sure to record the end date. Scan the QR code at the top of the page of the Quick Start Guide or visit accustarlabs.com/ls to complete the end of the test information on the data form. Place the vial back into the return box. Promptly return to the laboratory or use FedEx or UPS. Your device must be received within 7 days of the end of the test to be valid. You will receive your report via email the next business day after your device arrives at the lab. You may also view your report at accustarlabs.com, where you will find additional information and resources regarding your report. RadonAway and Accustar Labs, the professional's choice.